about the structure of the skin of standard foot. Now we know skin is the largest organ inside a human body. That's why we will learn skin in better. There are three layers of the skin to learn: epidermis, dermis and fat layer. First we will look about fat layer. Inside in fat layer, here is some fat layer. But what is meant by the fat layer? What does this fat layer is doing inside our skin? Fat layer keeps us warm. If we are freezing from the cold, if there is too much cold, then what happens? This fat layer keeps us warm. That's why we feel sometimes like there is the fan is on. That's why we feel we are in room temperature. But we know polar bears and seals, they have larger fat layers than us human beings. That's why they can live in such a cold condition. And after that there is dermis. But inside the dermis there are some veins. They are for circulating blood. You know, blood is circulating all over our body. And there are sweat gland and oil gland. What is a gland? Gland are generators. Means if the oil gland produce oil and sweat gland produce sweat. And after that there is epidermis. On epidermis, the surface of the skin, there are so many hairs and pores. Now we will look all about this in better way again. Inside, now when this oil gland and sweat gland, oil gland produce oil and sweat gland produce sweat. When we are in so much sunny day and we are outside in the sun, then what happens is that oil gland produce oil and the oil gland produce oil and the oil come on the surface, and then these pores you see, from the pores the oil gland give oil and sweat gland give sweat. And when the oil comes out and sweat comes out, that's why when we are in so much sunny day, we feel like our skin is so much shiny and dark because so much oil and sweat is produced on our skin. A fun fact here now. We know some one color is too white and some one color is too dark and some one color is middle way. But how this color is from of our skin? Inside the fat layer, we know the fat layer has some gaps between them. They produce this small black spot called melanin. Now, what melanin does is that if someone is fairer than you, they have lesser melanin. And someone is darker than you, they have larger melanin. And if someone is middle way, then that has only some melanin, means middle way melanin inside the fat layer. Now what happens is that the cells, we know cells, some fat layer, some cells, let's say skin cells, the skin is all going out. In a day, not in a minute, we lost 40,000 of skin cells. That's a lot. And in a year, we lost 2 kgs of skin. That's a lot. But 40,000 skin cells, that are too small. That even doesn't count your finger too. Now here, this all process is done. But now what happened is that when we had a hurt, then how do we know that we had a hurt? That's because of the skins. And when we got hurt, why blood come out? When we got a hurt like this with a knife, what happened is that the hurt goes to the nerves too. The nerves, the blood vessels. Then what happened is that the blood oozes out. That's why some bloods come out when you got a hurt. Now here, a chapter of skin gets over.